Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to insert video on description product page in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard and from the left menu bar, click on the products button. Now open YouTube on the other tab and from YouTube select any video that you want to. And now click on its share button and now embed it. After clicking embedded, there is the code. You have to copy it. So copy the code. And now come to the product page. So choose insert video option. And now paste the code. Now click insert video button. And then click save. So go to your website and see the video on product page will be there. That's how you will insert video on product page of Shopify. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.